Hi, I'm Lorena McLean. Thanks again for joining us for another one of our sneak peek tours. Welcome to Cherry Creek Country Club in Southeast Denver, just a short drive from Cherry Creek and the Denver Tech Center. Behind these gates is an exceptional, exclusive community of custom homes where every day feels like you're on vacation. The grounds are meticulously maintained, the streets are secure and gated 24/7, and you can lock the door and travel without worrying about yard work or exterior maintenance. Residents here are surrounded by manicured trees, water features, and miles of sidewalks and paths that make it easy to get outside, walk, and enjoy the views, or meet the neighbors.
Hi, I'm Bree Bilopondo. Why should you check out Cherry Creek Country Club?
Lifestyle, convenience, beauty, and you've got options. For those who want more, there are flexible membership options at the Country Club. With a social membership, you can enjoy the resort-style pool, full-service clubhouse, dining spa, and a state-of-the-art fitness facility. If you're a golfer, additional membership options open the door to a Jack Nicklaus signature course and the full private country club experience, once named Colorado's best overall experience by Avid Golfer. And the best part is, you can choose the level of lifestyle that fits you. These European-inspired residences are part of The Village, the lock and lead collection of homes with timeless architecture and low-maintenance lifestyle. With over 4,700 square feet, 5 bedrooms, and 5 full bathrooms, including a main-level primary suite, this custom home delivers a formal study, towering ceilings, and a fully finished, state-of-the-art, lower-level basement with some of the best entertaining spaces that you and your friends will experience. Plus, a long list of upgrades waiting for you to discover.
If you'd like to learn more about the home or explore what life could look like at Cherry Creek Country Club, visit the website at yourdenverhm.com
Or call us today to set up your own private tour.